Hello, this is Honda Accord CL9 2003 model, and most of the owners have the issue that their hazard light button doesn't have the parking light. I have turned on the parking light, yet again there is no light in the hazard button. Most of the people think that there is no light inside it, but actually there is a light inside this button which gets fused too soon. So today I am going to replace the bulbs of this hazard button because it looks totally odd while driving at night without no light in the hazard button. So stay tuned. So चला के देखना तो ठीक है. So guys, just got it done with the LED bulb of hazard button. You can see these are the two bulbs. One this blue one. There is focus issue. Anyway, there are two buttons on side wall of the button, and now it is working properly. Let me turn on the parking lights. Yep, it is on, and now the light is visible. Turning off the lights, and yes, it is working. Thank you so much for watching.